It's Amapiano, Battle, and Afrobeats. Has Amapiano overtaken Afrobeats in terms of popularity? The debate is heating up, and today, we're diving deep into the rise of these two African music powerhouses. Stay tuned as we break it all down.
I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love.
For years, Afrobeats has been the dominant African sound on the global stage. With superstars like Wizkid, Burna Boy, Davido, and Thames, Afrobeats has topped international charts, sold out stadiums, and even won Grammy Awards. The genre blends African rhythms with hip-hop, dancehall, and R&B, making it a universal groove that's hard to resist. Meanwhile, in South Africa, another genre was brewing, Amapiano. This deep log drum-driven sound has taken over streets, clubs, and festivals. Kabza De Small, Major League, DJ Z, Uncle Waffles, and Focalistic have taken the genre to new heights with viral dance trends, massive streaming numbers, and global collaborations. Now let's talk about the moves. Afrobeats has given us legendary dance styles like shaku shaku, zanku, and legwork. It's all about fast footwork, energy, and smooth body control. But Amapiano? It's a different flex. The pouncing cat, the dillo dance, and the conga challenge have taken over social media. Amapiano dance moves are all about flow, groove, and style. But here's where it gets interesting. Afrobeats and Amapiano are no longer separate worlds. Nigerian and South African artists are blending the two, creating Afro-Amapiano hits. Even global icons like Drake and Chris Brown are jumping on the Amapiano wave. So, is Amapiano overtaking Afrobeats? While Afrobeats still dominates mainstream international music, Amapiano is growing fast, influencing global trends, and capturing new audiences.
X66.
Gina, baby, je le taal vini, vini vini pas timide, life is all about.
It's not a battle, it's a movement. Both Amapiano and Afrobeats are pushing African music to new heights, and the world is listening. What do you think? Is Amapiano taking over? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more African music content.
If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new uploads. Your support means a lot and helps the channel grow. Let's keep the energy going. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think.